Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on the Make Money Moves channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys another method that you can use to make a little bit of extra money on the side. Now, this method is pretty cool in my opinion. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be testing websites, apps, products, all kinds of stuff, and you're going to be making money from it. So you actually get to choose what you're going to test, and you're going to obviously make some income from it because you're getting paid to test that stuff. And the only requirements is you need either a smartphone, laptop, or just some device that you can use to access these platforms. Now obviously, since you're watching this video right now, you have access to that. And then you're also going to need a PayPal account, which I'm assuming most of you probably have a PayPal account. It's pretty common. If you don't, I recommend making one right now because that's what a lot of people on the internet use to exchange money. So yeah, we're going to move over to the website right now. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. Alright, so we are now on the website. As you guys can see, the name of the website is called UTest. Now UTest is a platform where you get paid to shape the digital landscape. Now what that means is by testing the products on here, you are essentially making your own experience on the internet better, which is cool. So not only are you getting paid, you are improving your own experience on the internet, and that is great, to be honest. So UTest by Applause is the #1 destination for freelance software testing and feedback. So this is a very big platform, so big in fact that a whole lot of people use it, a lot of companies use it, and overall it is just great in general if you are trying to get your foot in the door by doing some freelancing test type stuff. So as you guys can see, they have articles and stuff. So they have their technology news. They're talking about sub-communities in this one. They're talking about their mobile app. Yes, they do have a mobile app, which if you guys are using a smartphone, you're going to be using more than likely. There's actually tips. So let's say that you have kids, they're telling you what to do, how to work if you have kids at home, because obviously at this point in time, we have the coronavirus stuff going on. So a lot of people are working from home and they're using platforms like this. So there's actually a very large community around UTest. So as you guys can see, there's a little message board going on right here. So that's cool. That means that this platform is so big that they have all kinds of cool stuff going on. Now, if we look at the article section, these are articles from professional testers on all topics related to software testing, QA, career advice, devices, and more. And the cool part is if you get really good at this stuff, you can write your own article. So as you guys can see, there are quite a few articles right here. For example, why testing is important. And there's just all kinds of cool stuff right here. So life as a QS post-COVID, because obviously the coronavirus stuff is going on right now. There's if you guys are looking for a platform that has a huge community surrounding it, and you're just trying to make money and you feel like you need some help, then you don't even have to leave the platform. You don't have to go on Google to search anything, because everything is literally right here on this website, on this platform. So that is absolutely perfect. We have the forums right here where people are posting questions or helping other people out. So this person is doing a little forum post on Python. Now, if you guys don't know, Python is a coding language, and if you know it, it is very, very, very helpful in a lot of ways. If you keep scrolling, there's just like all kinds of cool stuff. Like some people just ask questions like, for example, which operating system to use the most for testing. Now, obviously, I think most people are probably going to be using Windows, but I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of people on this platform use like Mac OS, Linux, stuff like that. So yeah, this is great. This is a cool platform. Now, if you're looking to sign up for this platform, you would go up to sign up for free. You're going to give your first name. So this kind of gives you an example, John Smith. I'm going to just put down like a fake name like Max Scott. That's not actually my name. You would put in an email. I'm going to have to blur that real quick because some of my actual emails showed up. You're going to put your the day that you were born, or not the day. You're going to put like your month. So I'll put like September 22nd. Let's see. I'm going to mess around here. 1873. And then, obviously, by my voice, you guys can tell that I am a female. And I do not speak English. In fact, I actually speak, I speak Danish. Yeah. So, yeah, after that, you would go to your next location. I'm actually going to just put in an email real quick and go. Okay, you guys can't see. Thank God this isn't my real location. For some reason, my location thing is off. And I'm happy because I don't want you guys coming to my address. But we're just going to keep on going. And, yeah, this is just asking you about, like, the devices that you use. So when you participate in U-Test projects, you need to have at least one device that you perform the test on. Please list the device. And then this says the more devices you have, the more invitations to projects you receive. So if you have like a laptop and a smartphone, then you can do some things on your laptop, and then you can also do other things on your phone. That way you maximize the amount of jobs that you're doing, therefore maximizing the amount of money that you make. So that is something that's pretty cool. Let's see. I'm just gonna put in a mobile device real quick. I actually have this isn't working. Okay, now it's working. Okay, I have a Samsung. This is really slow for me. Okay. I gotta find my phone now. Where is it at? A lot of these are pretty old Galaxy things, from what I've been able to see. I gotta scroll way down real quick. Man, where's it at? Okay, there we go. I have a Galaxy S10e, and then of course I have Android 10. I think I have Android 10. I don't think it really matters. Then I would type in a password. So, tend to. Oh, it doesn't really like my password a whole lot, guys. Give me a second. See? There we go. And then you just repeat the password. Obviously, I have a pretty strong password that I use for a lot of things. And if you guys are making an account on here, I know you guys have probably heard this a lot. But don't use the same password that you use for everything else, okay? You should that rule should apply to everything that you do. So I'm just gonna do a complete setup real quick, and there we go. I have a U-Test account set up, just to show you guys how to do it. And real quick, we're actually gonna go on the Google machine because that is very important. So. I have a Twitter account on Indeed.com. On Indeed, these guys have a 4.3. That is a really great rating on here. I actually don't see that a whole lot. So props to UTest for having a great platform because a lot of people like to use it. Glassdoor, it has a 3.9. Not as good as Glassdoor, but that's still a very good rating. And if we keep going, these guys they're killing it, bro. They're doing a great job with the platform that they've created. So overall, if you're looking to make some money, UTest is a pretty good platform. I recommend it. Alright, so even though the method that I showed you guys was a really good way to make money, if you're looking to make some passive income, check out the first link in the description below. By following this link, you'll actually have a guide to be able to quit your 9 to 5 and make income online very easily. So yeah, click on the first link in the description. Have a great day, and bye.